So let me show you how to use your voice assistant on your Nothing headphones. Now, if you're using Android, that's going to be Gemini. And for iPhone users, that's going to be Siri. Okay. So you first have to make sure the option is enabled in the settings of your phone. So go to the Nothing X app, find your headphones, and then you want to go to the controls. Okay. So tap on that, or you can just tap on the headphones and that's going to open the controls as well. So from here, you want to go to the button. Okay, so there's a single press for the button and then there's a press and hold. Now a single press is designed to wake up the voice assistant, so that's going to be the default voice assistant for your phone. So make sure that is checked like that. You can see that's what's selected. So on the headphones, on your right ear cup, there's that button there, and so you can press it once and it's gonna bring up your default voice assistant. Now for me, that's Bixby, as you can see. So anytime I press that, it brings up Bixby. Okay. Now, if you don't want it to do that, and maybe you find yourself accidentally pressing that button, you can change it from a single press to press and hold. Okay. So you can make the single press do nothing to avoid accidental touches, and then go back and then go to press and hold and set that as the voice assistant. Okay. So once you do that, now you'll notice a single press does nothing, but press and hold brings up your default voice assistant. Now, if you're using Google, Gemini, or Siri, then that's what's going to be brought up as your default voice assistant. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.